Now, Kerala continues to remain COVID epicenter, with daily cases in Kerala now crossing the 30,000 mark for the fourth straight day. Pinarayi Vijayan government has now reimposed night curfew across state from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has claimed that the COVID surge aggravated during Onam rush, but maintained that the government was taking measures to contain the spread. In fact, the decision comes just 2 days after the centre's suggestion to Kerala government to explore the option of a night curfew in areas of high positivity rate. The state on Saturday reported 31,265 fresh cases of coronavirus, while 153 patients succumbed to the infection in the last 24 hours. Kerala, which was a state which did a great job initially in curbing the COVID-19 rise during the first wave, has now come under severe heat over relentless surge in cases within the state of Kerala.
In Kerala, we are trying to manage it using vaccination. If you are going to manage it using vaccination, that means the natural infections are prevented and the death will be very much less. Whether you account it or not, the death happened in Kerala is much less.
Let me quickly cut across to Gopi Krishnanunithan, joining us for more on that. Gopi, Kerala, we see, is the epicenter of the third wave. It almost looks like the cases on the rise in Kerala is almost propelling the third wave across the country. Take us through what's been the government's response so far.
Well, Nabila, Kerala for the fourth straight day has reported over 30,000 cases, and that indeed is a cause of concern. Yesterday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan held a press conference because during the first and the second wave of the pandemic, he used to have daily press briefings, and which had actually had a break after the elections, and then there was assembly elections, and a lot of reasons why this press conference did not happen is what Chief Minister said. So yesterday in his press conference, he reiterated that though these numbers are a cause of concern, it is not really a major concern because people only need to exercise caution at this moment. However, the government has also introduced fresh restrictions in the state. Remember, the Sunday lockdown was actually lifted in the wake of Independence Day and Onam celebrations for the last 2 Sundays. And now that has been reinstated. Today there is a statewide lockdown in Kerala. And also the government has now decided to implement the night curfew from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. There will be complete lockdown or curfew across the state, is what the new restriction says. And the health department, we have been given to understand that is going to reconsider its testing strategy. We do not really know clearly whether it's going to increase the test or increase the RT-PCR test, but we have been given to understand that there are some serious discussions happening in the health department to rework on the testing strategy in Kerala at the moment.
Gopi, thank you very much for joining us with those details.